Have you ever wished for someone to miss you so much that they think of you first thing in the morning and last thing at night? If your answer is yes, this guide is for you. Today, we'll explore 10 Stoic principles that can make you unforgettable. The philosopher Seneca once said, "Absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it." We're going to learn how to make your absence valuable, so the other person not only remembers you but also looks forward to being with you. Let's start with the first principle: be self-sufficient. Did you know that when you live independently and feel fulfilled on your own, you become very attractive? This confidence makes others admire you. They'll wonder, "What are you doing without me?" They'll miss you. Control your emotions. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." By staying calm and in control, you become a steady presence. People will remember the peace you bring. Intentional communication. Your words are powerful. Seneca advised, "Speak so you can speak again." When you communicate with purpose and add value, your words stick in people's minds. Appreciate distance. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life." By not clinging, you create a unique kind of attraction. Give others space to miss you. Live fully in each moment. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." Your presence and attention create strong memories, so even when you're gone, your impact remains. Consistent communication. Seneca said, "Regularity is a sign of wisdom in communication." Create a comforting routine. Your absence is noticeable, and they'll miss those little moments. Live with purpose. Seneca stressed, "Our plans fail because they have no aim." When you live with purpose, people are drawn to your drive and will want to be close to someone who inspires them. Balance your emotions. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Express emotions maturely. People see your calmness and want to be around you as a safe and stable presence. Show resilience. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." When you remain strong, you give people a sense of security and become someone they want to be with in tough times. Be consistent but surprising. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." This blend of stability and spontaneity makes you unforgettable and someone they will look forward to seeing. To end, remember that making someone miss you isn't about forcing them to think of you. It's about building habits and values that make your presence meaningful. So when you're not around, they feel the emptiness and can't help but think of you. Good luck on your journey to becoming unforgettable.